Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best kids' Halloween costumes is probably one of the most exciting and anticipated purchases for parents and children alike as the spooky season approaches, offering a fantastic opportunity for creative expression and memorable trick-or-treating adventures, ensuring that every child can embody their favorite characters or unleash their imagination with a unique and dazzling ensemble that will make their Halloween unforgettable. Number 5. STONCH Halloween Glow Mask Skeleton Glove Set. Get ready to shine this Halloween with our incredible mask and glove set. It's designed to make you the center of attention at any party. Our mask features 3 distinct lighting modes, while the gloves offer 6 different glowing options. Easily switch between them to match your mood and the occasion. Crafted from high-quality, odorless plastic, this set is built for comfort. The soft LED lights are safe for your eyes, and the adjustable strap ensures a perfect fit for most adults and children. Looking for a gift that will wow your kids? This glowing mask and glove combination is sure to be a hit, offering a cool and unforgettable Halloween experience. Beyond Halloween, this set is ideal for carnivals, masquerades, and birthday parties. Stand out from the crowd and make a statement wherever you go. The gloves are designed for convenience, with easily replaceable CR2032 batteries. Enjoy extended use and worry-free fun throughout your celebrations. What we like? This costume set offers a unique glowing effect with multiple lighting modes for both the mask and gloves. It's designed for comfort with soft lighting and a padded forehead. If you want to be the center of attention at any Halloween party or carnival, this is the perfect choice for a standout look. What people say. The costume is very detailed and well-made, with intricate stitching and vibrant colors. It fits true to size and is comfortable for my child to wear for extended periods. The accessories included with the costume are high quality and add to the overall look. Number 4. Rubies Girls Peacock Costume Dress. Transform into a magnificent peacock with this stunning costume. Perfect for parties and imaginative play, it's designed for dazzling fun. Adorned with vibrant, eye-catching colors, this dress features a magical design that truly captures the beauty of a peacock. Your little one will love twirling in it. Crafted for comfort, this costume allows for hours of play and adventure. The lightweight fabric ensures your child can move freely and comfortably. Encourage endless imagination and creativity as your child steps into the role of a graceful peacock. It's a wonderful way to spark their storytelling. Make any occasion special with this unique peacock dress. It's the perfect outfit for birthdays, Halloween, or any dress-up event. From Rubies, a trusted name in costumes, this peacock dress is made with quality materials for lasting wear. It's a delightful addition to any dress-up collection. What we like? This dress offers an elegant and vibrant design that is sure to impress. It provides a complete outfit for a magical transformation. If you are looking for a beautiful and eye-catching costume for a little one, this is an excellent option for parties or dress-up play. What people say. This costume is very well made and durable. The details on this costume are amazing. My son looked so real in it. It was easy to put on and take off, which was great for potty breaks. Number 3. Party City Jurassic World Blue Velociraptor Inflatable Costume. Get ready for an adventure of prehistoric proportions. This inflatable costume brings the mighty Velociraptor to life. Transform into the iconic blue from Jurassic World. It's lightweight, easy to inflate, and sure to turn heads. Perfect for Halloween, parties, or any event where you want to make a grand entrance. Feel the thrill of the Jurassic era. Our design ensures comfort and maximum impact. Simply step in, inflate, and you're ready to roam. Embrace the power and excitement of this incredible dinosaur costume. It's an unforgettable way to express your fandom. What we like? This costume provides a realistic and imposing dinosaur appearance through its inflatable design. It is surprisingly easy to wear, allowing for full mobility. If you're aiming for a dramatic and fun entrance at an adult Halloween party or themed event, this is the ideal choice for a memorable impression. What people say. The costume is very detailed and well-made, with intricate stitching and vibrant colors. It fits true to size and is comfortable for kids to wear for extended periods. The included accessories are a nice touch and complete the look perfectly. Number 2. Pretty girl cop costume, toddler 3 to 4. Dress your little one in this adorable police officer costume. It's perfect for imaginative play and Halloween fun. This costume is designed for toddlers aged 3 to 4 years old. Ensure a comfortable and snug fit for your child. The easy-to-wear one-piece design makes dressing up a breeze. Spend less time fussing and more time playing. Crafted with care, this costume is made from durable materials. It's built to withstand hours of adventurous play. Whether for a costume party or just everyday dress-up, this outfit sparks creativity. Let their imagination run wild. Encourage your child's dreams of helping others with this fun police costume. It's a great way to foster a sense of duty and adventure. What we like. This costume is designed to be cute and playful, perfect for toddlers. It's made to be comfortable and easy to move in for little ones. If you have a young child who loves to play dress-up and you want a charming and practical costume for them, this is a great option for parties or everyday fun. What people say. This costume is very well made and durable. The details on this costume are amazing. My son looked so realistic. It was easy to put on and take off, which was great for potty breaks. Number 1. Disguise Men's Buzz Lightyear Adult Kit. Embark on an epic adventure with this iconic Buzz Lightyear costume kit. It's perfect for fans looking to bring their favorite space ranger to life. Transform into the brave and heroic Buzz Lightyear with this detailed adult kit. You'll be ready to protect the galaxy in no time. Experience the magic of Toy Story with an authentic replica of Buzz Lightyear's gear. This costume captures the essence of the beloved character. Designed for comfort and durability, this kit allows for easy movement and long-lasting wear. Enjoy your adventures without any restrictions. Whether it's for Halloween, a costume party, or just for fun, this Buzz Lightyear kit is sure to impress. Get ready for a galaxy of fun. What we like. This kit allows you to embody an iconic character with its comprehensive set of accessories. It provides a full costume experience in adult sizing. If you are a fan looking to recreate a beloved character for Halloween or a costume party, this is the perfect way to achieve an authentic and recognizable look. What people say. This is a great costume for kids. The material is soft and comfortable. It fits true to size. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.